Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Vikas B from Loyola High School. Fashion, for me, is the art of expressing who I am without saying a single word. Today, through my work, I wish to represent not just an outfit, but the harmony of two worlds coming together as one. Thank you. Actually, this is the first time I don't think I'm in a position to get an answer. Maybe I am. Actually, I want to do modeling because I want to gain my confidence. To face the audience and everyone present, as it requires a lot of confidence, right? So maybe that's why I want to do modeling, to increase my confidence. Thank you.
College and currently pursuing fashion design. I'm 18 years old and standing 5.7. I aspire to become a supermodel and make my mark in the fashion industry. Thank you.
मॉडलिंग का मतलब क्या होता है?
मेरे लिए मॉडलिंग का मतलब है अपने आप को एक्सप्रेस करना, दूसरों को इंस्पायर करना मेरे लिए एंड अपनी क्रिएटिविटी, अपनी थिंकिंग और अपने आर्ट को आगे प्रेजेंट करना।
मॉडल का मीनिंग क्या होता है? मॉडल का मीनिंग क्या होता है? इन हिंदी।
थैंक यू सो मच।
In front of you, pursuing BCA from Xavier University. Dance is only my passion. Thank you.
What is one Western garment that can be fused with Indian embroidery or prints?
What's more?
What is one Western garment that can be fused with Indian embroidery or prints?
Out of my mind.
Hi everyone, my name is Prashant Jha and I am from Loyola High School, Patna, and currently I am in class 12 from science section, and I am here for fashion show because I was always fascinated about these shows and wanted to participate in it for once at least. Thank you.
Basically, you want to be a model, right?
Yeah.
So please name 3 models who are at presently actors. 3 model name in हिंदी में बताते हैं। ऐसे 3 लोगों का नाम बताओ जो मॉडलिंग करते थे बट नाउ दे आर एक्टर, चाहे पुराने एक्टर हो चाहे नए हो, कोई भी चलेगा।
I don't exactly know the names of these models because I've never actually, I've always watched these shows but I was not interested in this childhood.
Hello everyone, I am Amy Raj from Loyola High School. Today I am representing Uttar Pradesh with a graceful Shrinkari embroidery and heritage rich fashion. My aim is to walk forward with confidence, creativity and culture, and this outfit is all three of them. And a special thanks for St. Xavier's College for providing me this stage. Thank you.
So your code number?
Number 14.
So I have the same question, बस थोड़ा सा ट्विस्ट ये है कि उससे हमने पूछा था कि मेल मॉडल, आई वांट टू नो फीमेल मॉडल्स जो पहले मॉडल थी बट देन दे शिफ्टेड टू एक्टिंग।
Exactly what I mean.
सॉरी, ओके, थैंक यू।
Good morning everyone. Myself Prateek Shahan. I am from Patna Women's College doing BSc in Zoology. Besides studies, I am also into theatre and drama. Recently, I have done a short film Stalker and also I was a part of PNCH dog drama. Thank you.
I want the name of 3 फीमेल मॉडल्स जो आगे जाके एक्टर्स में कन्वर्ट हो गए।
Actually, I don't have proper knowledge about that, but I believe Kangana Ranaut is the one.
ओके, थैंक यू।
Hello everyone, I'm Anna from St. Michael's High School and I'm representing an Indo-Western outfit which I've paired because of the dress of it. This is and I'm very excited to be like this. Thank you. Who is your favorite actress? My favorite artist is Anne Hathaway. Why? Because she inspires me to be more confident, more expressive. Good morning to respected judges and all present here. I am Pari Rani from Netta Valley School, representing our school on the stage of St. David College of Management and Technology. For me, fashion is not about glitter and glam. It's about passion, purpose, and power to express who I truly am. I'm here not to fit in. I'm here to stand out. Thank you.
What would you prefer more, flats or heels? What would you prefer more, flats or heels? Footwear.
Sir, it's not about flats or heels. Everything is perfect for me when I am confident enough to wear them.
Good afternoon, respected judges and audience. I'm Haya Patma, and it is an honor
fashion show. For me, fashion is not just about style. It's about expressing personality, confidence, and creativity. So I'm here to showcase my passion with grace and professionalism. Thank you.
I want to name 3 female models जो कि actress हो चुकी हैं.
I think one is Bella Hadid, second is Zendaya, and third is Kylie Jenner.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Astik Patel, and I am from Loyola High School, currently reading in Standard 11 from Science Stream. It's a great pleasure for me to be here as a participant. Thank you, St. Xavier's College, for giving me this great opportunity. Some of my hobbies include dance, singing, guitar, reading novels, and drawing. Thank you.
So code number F8, right? I want to know 3 things a model should personally maintain कि हाँ ये 3 चीज का जो है हमें हमेशा ख्याल रखना है if you are a model.
So the key things that a model should maintain, first of all, and most important thing is that the confidence they carry on the stage. Because something without confidence cannot be presented on the stage. Secondly, what they should carry is their expression. The more they express through their face, the more people will want to see them. And the third thing is that how they try to interact with the audience, with judges. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Good afternoon, judges. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Prerna Chauhan from University University, Patna. For me, fashion is not about outfit. It's about creativity, confidence, and splendor. Today, I'm here to walk the ramp, not just as a model. As someone who believes that every step can express your personality and power. Thank you for giving me this stage to shine. Sorry. What is the difference of ramp walk and figure show? Ramp walk and figure show. I don't know. आप अभी जो कर रहे हो ये क्या है? It's catwalk. Catwalk.
Good afternoon, judges, teachers, and Zavadians. I am Arpita Singh, a proud student of Xavier University, Patna, walking this ramp today with pride and passion. With my every step, I aim to inspire, to learn, and to express, and to tell that fashion is not just what you wear, it's all about how you live it.
Same question what Sandhya ma'am has asked. What is the difference between a ramp show and a pageant show?
Thank you, sir, for your question. I'm not so certain about this answer, but according to me, a ramp walk is done frequently, and a period show, it takes gap, and you have to pause in that.
the first round of participants, please. Thank you. Now before we proceed, our judge has finally arrived. Ms. Sandhya Yadav is amongst us. I will request Dr. Shilpi Kavita to kindly felicitate our judge. Before we proceed, there is a surprise for all of you. Can you guess the surprise? We are going to witness something very different. Are you ready? Yes. Are you ready? Yes. All right. Hold your breath. I hope you enjoyed it. Yes or no? Good. I can only request Father Sherry, could you please come for a ramp walk? Please. And I also request all the female faculty members. Father, please give a gift. Now it's for Come on!
down a bit. Before we proceed, we have another round of announcement of results. I will request Ms. Bessie John Reed, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, to kindly come on stage and announce the results. Ma'am, please.
Alright, I'm here to announce a few results. It gives me immense pleasure to stand here before you today for the result declaration of first and foremost the dance competition that was held at West 2025. I would like to congratulate all the enthusiastic participants who showcased their talents. Please give them a huge round of applause. So let us begin with the solo dance competition. I would like to call upon the stage Father Dr. Sherry George S.J., Vice Principal, cum Registrar, and the event in charge, Dr. Rachna Thakkar, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, Chair, Cultural Committee, to award the winners of the solo dance competition. Starting with the results of the solo dance western category. At the third place, we have code number T4, Shilpi Gupta from Patna Women's College. If you are present here, I would request you to kindly come up on the stage and receive the certificate. Please give her a huge round of applause, audience. In the second position, we have code number TW5, Shashwat Narayan from Loyola High School. And the fourth position goes to code number, any guesses, audience? It is code number DW8, Jia Kumari of Management and Technology. Jia, if you are present in the hall, kind request for you to come up on the stage and receive your certificate. Winners of the solo dance classical category. In the third place, we have code number DC3, Soumya Suchi of Patna Women's College. Please give her a huge round of applause. In the second place, we have code number DC1, Ivana Shakil of St. Joseph's Convent High School, Patna. And the first position goes to code number DC7, Mudita Arya of Baldwin Academy. I have been informed that Jia Kumari has come to the backstage. Therefore, please let us give a huge round of applause for the first winner of solo dance western category, Jia Kumari of St. Xavier's College, Management and Technology. I would now request Ms. Priya Gupta to kindly come up on the stage to distribute the winners of the painting competition. In the third place, we have Ujjwal Khan of St. Xavier's College, Management and Technology. Ujjwal Khan of St. Xavier's College of Management and Technology. In the second place, we have Alfia Ilyas of St. Michael's High School, Patna. And now, at the first position, we have Janvi Kumari of Patna Women's College. Please give her a huge round of applause.
Thank you, Christian. Thank you, Father Sherry. Priya Gupta ma'am, thank you very much. On behalf of St. Xavier's University Patna and St. Xavier's College of Management and Technology Patna, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to all the participants. Let's move on to the second round of this fashion show, which is based on Indo-Western. So, are the participants ready backstage? Oh yes, they are ready. Can we have the music, please?
यहाँ पे आज देवियस वाली फील नहीं आ रही है, बिकॉज जब हम लोग यहाँ पे पढ़ा करते थे तो देवियस का इतना जोर का आवाज होता था कि ये सब गाने का आवाज हम लोग को कभी सुनाई ही नहीं दिया। We'll play a short game, टीम A and then टीम B। आज फील आनी चाहिए बिकॉज हमारे गेस्ट यहाँ पे आए हुए हैं, उनको पता चलना चाहिए कि देवियस में कितने जोर से बच्चे चिल्ला सकते हैं। रेडी रेडी? तो आर वी रेडी टीम A एंड टीम B? 3 के काउंट पर स्टार्ट करेंगे। रेडी? सबसे पहले टीम A के लिए 3, 2, 1। नाउ टीम B, उनका आवाज सुन लिए, अब आपका गाना आना चाहिए। रेडी? 3, 2, 1। भाई मैं थोड़ा सा आगे कर दो। तो मैं आपको ओवरऑल कैसा लगा आज का इवेंट?
बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा
तो मैम अब फाइनल जो है कि हम बिना अनाउंस करेंगे, तो आपको क्या लगता है? बिना अनाउंस करा जाए? भाई जोर से बोला, थोड़ा कम सुनने लग गया। यार एक बात बताओ, इस साइड कौन सा ईयर बैठा है? क्योंकि हम लोग के टाइम पे क्या होता था, फर्स्ट ईयर इस साइड, सेकंड ईयर उस साइड। इधर कौन सा ईयर है? इस साइड? इधर वाले तो खाना खा के नहीं है, साफ पता चल रहा है, और इधर वाले पूरे रेडी है कि नहीं? तो चलो एक चीज हम भी ऑफर कर रहे हैं, तुम लोग के जोर शोर पे ही जो है हम विनर डिसाइड कर देंगे। लेकिन सुन लो, हर एक चीज पे टर्म एंड कंडीशन लिखा हुआ रहता है, नियम एवं शर्तें लागू। सेम यहाँ पे भी होगा। एक छोटा सा सरप्राइज है जो कि बहुत मजा देने वाला है, तो रेडी? बोलो यार, तुम लोग का भी जो है डांस सूखा पड़ा है नहीं? तब कैसा लग रहा है अभी?
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है और बहुत ही कॉन्फिडेंट फील हो रहा है और बहुत सारा एक्सपीरियंस मिला, जिसके बहुत बहुत थैंक्स। हाँ बहुत सारे
3 के काउंट पे वापस। रेडी? 3, 2, लगेगा।
चार महीने बनाती है मीडियम को।
चलो बहुत सही, आओ। देखो जैसे जैसे टाइम कट रहा है उतना ही उतना मजा आते जा रहा होगा, राइट? तो राम, कोड नंबर F15, राइट? आपका नाम? हाँ, कैसा लग रहा था?
पहले बहुत डर लग रहा था, बट नाउ अब नहीं पता कौन जीते कौन हारे, क्योंकि लर्निंग इज द बिगेस्ट थिंग और मुझे वो मिला है। एंड अगर मुझे आगे चांस मिले तो और
बहुत सही। जो कहते हैं कि प्रॉपर जो है ब्रेड पे इतना बढ़िया से आपने मक्खन मार देता है ना, कभी कभी चाकू फिसल जाता है, राइट? तो आपके कॉन्फिडेंस के लिए एक चीज कहें भाई, मैं जोरदार तालियां होनी चाहिए, बिकॉज स्टेज पे आने के बाद सही गलत बात की चीज है, लेकिन
अच्छा लग रहा है, कॉन्फिडेंस एंड पॉजिटिव फील हो रही है। पहले थोड़ी नर्वस थी, अब
एक सस्पेंस ये है कि वी हैव अ टाइम, बट हर एक चीज का टर्म एंड कंडीशन होता है, तो यहाँ पे भी है। तो सबसे पहले बॉयज करेंगी गर्ल्स? एक छोटा सा गेम, सबसे पहले जितनी भी गर्ल्स यहाँ पे हैं पहले खड़ी हो जाओ और जोरदार जो एक आवाज आनी चाहिए, उसके अकॉर्डिंग सिलेक्शन होगा। रेडी? अच्छा तो बैठे बैठे कर लो, बैठे बैठे कर लो, सबको दिक्कत होगा। रेडी? 3, 2, 1। इधर की लड़कियां खा के भी नहीं आ रही, हम समझ गए। इधर फाइनल ईयर वाली लड़कियां भी तैयार है कि भाई हम तो चिल्लाएंगे। चलो बोल लो, 3, 2, 1। तो ये दो लोग जो है वो लोग फाइनली मिस्टर बेस्ट होने वाले को बुलाएंगे, ठीक है? यार तुम लोग इतना आशु आशु की हम आशु को बुला दिए। आशु अब तुमको दो शब्द बोला अपने दोस्तों के लिए, और सुनो, आशु अगर तुम बोला और तुम लोग अगर जोर से कर रहा तो ताली और आवाज सब चाहिए, हमको पहले ही पता है, ठीक है? चलो अपन पोजीशन पे आ जाओ। तो नहीं क्यों? और किसको लग रहा है कि किसी को भी यूनिक है? बताओ भाई, तुम्हारा ही बड़ा यूनिक लग रहा। आओ यार, थोड़ा जब तक सस्पेंस ना हो। देखो तुम लोग को बोरिंग लग रहा हो, मजा आ रहा हो, बात की चीज है, लेकिन इनडायरेक्टली कहें तो पीछे वालों का हाल देखो कि क्या हो रखा है। दिल में किसी का भी जब छू के रखो तो लगे कि भाई अब मरने के कगार पे है क्या? अच्छा बताओ, अगर तुम हार गए और ये जीत गए तो कैसा लगेगा? सेम तुम? फर्क नहीं पड़ता। चलो तो फाइनली द विनर is one and only code number 8. आओ भाई, मैं दोनों तालियां बजाना इसके लिए। कर करो भाई, माहौल रहना चाहिए। एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए इसके लिए। तो कैसा लग रहा है आप ये बताओ?
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है सर। सीरियसली मैंने ये एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया था, बहुत डर लग रहा था, बहुत सारे थॉट्स आए थे दिमाग में, लेकिन फिर दिमाग में फिर एक चीज़ आई कि अब जीते या हारे उससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता। जो क्योंकि मेरा ये फर्स्ट टाइम था, तो मेरे लिए ये था कि एक्सपीरियंस गेन करना और आगे चल के इससे भी बेटर करना। दैट्स इट।
थैंक यू सो मच। तो आप सभी को जैसा मैंने बताया था कि एक सरप्राइज है। तो द सरप्राइज इज वी हैव अ टाइम। यार हो गया, मुझे बेस्ट निकालना, हर बात में तुम लोग आ चुके। तो द टाइम इज, जैसे एग्जाम में जो है रोल नंबर 14, 15 कॉपी हो जाता है। बहुत बार होता है जो है रोल नंबर 14 आंसर लिखता है वही 15 का भी होता है। तो अगर उसको 90 आता है तो इसको भी 90 आता है। तो सेम चीज यहां पे हुई है कि F14 एंड F15 के बीच में बहुत बड़ा टाई हो चुका है। तो आप लोग पहले आगे आइए। कोई टेंशन? हाँ बोलो, लग रहा है रोज होगी अभी। चलो यार मना कि मैं तेज हूं इसीलिए। तो फाइनली हम एक चीज पे सिलेक्ट करेंगे, एक बार इनका फिर से वॉक कराएंगे और एक बार जोरदार जिस पे सबसे ज्यादा आवाज आएगा शील बी द विनर। रेडी? रेडी? यार तुम लोग थक गए, समझ गए यार। रेडी विद द म्यूजिक। आप लोगों को वॉक करना है, आपका भी परफेक्ट होगा। म्यूजिक बताओ, तुम लोग को अच्छा लगेगा कि जो आशु को ड्रेस बना दे? बताओ कितना अजीब लगे भाई, गाउन पहना हुआ लड़का। तुम लोग बेमतलब उसको छेड़े जाते हो, दो देगा सही में कुछ देर में।
आपको क्या लगता है कौन होनी चाहिए?
चलो ठीक है, सुनो सुनो सुनो, 15 का ही 14 का, पहले 14 करते हैं। रेडी? 3, 2, 1।
Thank you everyone. Thank you. Thank you all of this. Thank you, Father Director. Big congratulations to all the participants, especially the winners. Thank you. You can come backstage. Okay, I request the participants, the winners especially, please pause. We will have a group photograph. And you hold your trophies. Please stand one line. Guys, please. Just behind the winners. Can you stand behind the winners for the photograph? Alright. As you said, all good things must come to an end. So with this, fashion show comes to an end, but not just 2025. We have one more surprise element. Guys at the back, please listen. एक surprise element आपके लिए हमने बचा के रखा है. It will just take 2.5 minutes. I request the audience members, please be patient. Please be patient. We have a good performance.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, a very rocking and dazzling evening to you all. Hold your breath, because tonight the stage is not just closing an event. It's opening a memory for life. Yes, this is not just another evening. This is the grand finale, the big bang, the blockbuster ending of our very own Fest 2025. Can I hear the loudest cheers from the audience? Come on guys, louder! Come on everyone, how's the tune? Wow, that energy, that's exactly what made this successful. By the way, let me quickly introduce myself. I am Chidrasa from BCom 1B and I have the absolute honor of hosting the grand closing ceremony of our very own annual youth festival, ZEST. Guys, the lights fade in and the stage may quiet down, but the echoes of ZEST 2025 forever. What a journey these 2 days have been. From thrilling competitions to breathtaking performance. This annual youth festival was not just a fest. It was an emotion. From music to dance, this has been a roller coaster of energy, passion, and unforgettable memories. Warning, warning. Be alert everyone. The stage might just catch fire in the next few minutes. Because what's incoming is way too hot to handle. Presenting the showstoppers of Xavier, the beat breakers, the mood makers. So put your hands together for the incredible Xavier dance club. Next up, we have a dance performance by Kabir Club, and for this, I would like to invite our talented performers. So please give them a huge round of applause. Wow, what a rocking performance it was. But wait, a festival is never complete without gratitude, right? And of course, every festival is a team effort. In a while, we will have the official vote of thanks. But for now, can we all give a huge round of applause for everyone who made this successful? Come on people! Every epic movie has a graceful ending, and every amazing journey deserves gratitude. So, to deliver the vote of thanks, I would now like to welcome Dr. Archana Sinha, Assistant Professor, Department of English, on stage. Come on everyone, buckle up. One last time, make some noise for ZEST 2025.
I would like to invite on stage the ZEST committee core members because they have really tried hard and we were all ably supported by our management. All of us were neck deep in work. We had FDPs, CIA, and amidst this conducting ZEST 2025 at this scale and magnitude was definitely not an easy task. So I would like to invite the ZEST committee members and audience members, just bear with us for 2 more minutes. People at the back, I humbly request you, please bear with us for just 2 minutes. Mr. Mario Martin, Ms. Priya Manish Kumar, Mr. Vikas Kumar, Dr. Alok Balai, Ms. Priya Gupta, Ms. Priyanka Singh, Mr. Tabeshwar Prasad, Vishal Joshua, and our registrar, Father Dr. Sherry John S.J. Can I please have you on the stage, everyone? So this is the ZEST core committee. Father Sherry, are you here? Alright. So on behalf of the ZEST committee, I would like to thank each of the members for their continuous support and hard work. Thank you each one of you. Thank you. I would now request Dr. Archana to kindly propose the vote of thanks. Thank you.
The Dalai Lama once said, the roots of all goodness lie in the soul of appreciation. Good evening everyone. I, Dr. Archana Sinha, Assistant Professor, Department of English, feel deeply honored to deliver the vote of thanks on this special occasion. First and foremost, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to our Rector, Father Joseph Sebastian S.J., our Vice Chancellor and Principal, Father Dr. Martin Boris S.J., and our Registrar and Vice Principal, Father Dr. Sherry George S.J., for their constant support, vision and encouragement. My sincere thanks to our Dean of Activities, Dr. Rakesh Kumar Pathak, the Chair, Mr. Mario Martin, and the entire ZEST committee for their dedicated effort in organizing this wonderful event. I also appreciate the contribution of all the managing team members, the Department of Journalism and Mass Communication for photography and videography, and our talented anchors for making this program smooth and engaging. Finally, my heartfelt thanks to all our guests, faculty members, students, non-teaching staff and the audience for your presence, participation and enthusiasm which make moments like this truly memorable. Thank you all and I hope you had a wonderful day. Jai Xavier, Jai Bharat.